A Zimbabwean party leader says the U.S. hegemony in Africa has been a catalyst for instability in the region. The remarks are made by Linda Masarira, president of Labour, Economists and African Democrats, who also says that a U.S. hegemony becomes a tool for exploiting the resources of African countries.
They try to pretend as if they are on peacemaking missions, but we all know that during those peacemaking missions that they are talking about, they are busy looting Africa's resources. We are now very cognizant of such operations, and we actually have an obligation to ensure that we protect our country from American intervention.
Masarira also said the U.S. uses 2-decade-long sanctions on Zimbabwe as a weapon to advance its own foreign policy goals. She called for an Afrocentric system in the continent to protect the benefits of Africans.
We need to create our own Afrocentric system that protects Africans, that protects our mineral resources, and that inspires sustainable human development, sustainable human growth, and grows our economy to benefit the African people.